A deadly terrorist attack in Pahalgam has shaken the nation. 26 innocent people, mostly families and children, lost their lives. And now, India is taking strong action. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has vowed to bring the perpetrators to justice. He said, "We will not spare a single terrorist or those who shelter them." Let's break down the major steps India has taken so far in response to this tragedy. No Pakistani ships in Indian ports. India has banned all Pakistan flagged ships from entering its ports. Indian ships are also barred from docking in Pakistani ports. This ban was put in place to protect Indian cargo, ports and people. Interestingly, ships under third country flags like UAE or Singapore can still sail between the two countries, but only under strict checks. Total ban on imports from Pakistan. India has completely banned all goods from Pakistan, both direct and indirect imports. That means even products coming through other countries like the UAE or Sri Lanka are no longer allowed. This affects items like dry fruits, dates, rock salt and cement. In 2023 to 2024, Pakistan exported goods worth only $3 million to India, but this ban sends a strong political message. No postal services. India has suspended all mail and parcels coming from Pakistan, whether by air or by road. This includes letters, packages and any physical communication. No fly zone for Pakistani aircraft. India has closed its airspace to all Pakistani planes, including commercial and military aircraft. The ban started on April 30 and will stay in place until May 23, 2025. This forces Pakistan's airlines to take longer, more expensive routes via China or Sri Lanka. Pakistan has also responded by closing its airspace to Indian airlines. Financial pressure on Pakistan. India is planning two key financial moves. Push to get Pakistan back on the FATF grey list, which would make it harder for Pakistan to attract global funds. Raise concerns over Pakistan's $7 billion IMF bailout, alleging possible misuse of funds to support terrorism. If successful, these moves could hurt Pakistan's already struggling economy. Suspension of Indus Water Treaty. Just one day after the attack, India suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, a water-sharing agreement that's crucial for Pakistan's farming sector. Pakistan called this move an act of war, showing how serious the situation has become. Diplomatic downgrade. India has declared many Pakistani diplomats as persona non grata, which means they are no longer welcome here. The number of diplomats in both countries' high commissions is being cut nearly in half, from 55 to just 30. Visa ban. India has cancelled all existing visas issued to Pakistani nationals, suspended new visa services, ordered all Pakistani nationals except minorities to leave the country by April 30. The Atari-Wagah border was also closed after this deadline. Ban on Pakistani media and celebrities. India has banned 16 Pakistani YouTube channels, including major news networks like Dawn and Jio. Blocked Instagram accounts of several Pakistani artists. Cancelled the release of film starring Pakistani actor Fawad Khan. In return, Pakistan has stopped playing Indian songs on its radio channels. India's response after the Pahalgam attack has been swift, wide-ranging and firm, covering trade, transport, diplomacy, communication and finance. This is more than just a diplomatic fallout, it's a clear message. Terrorism will not be tolerated and any nation supporting it will face consequences. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for more updates.